Good morning. It's time for a morning meeting. Okay, we're going to talk about what day it is. So we just had a break from school, which were our Saturday and Sunday. So that means today is our first day of school for the week. So let's think about it. Today is, what do we think today is? Miss Ainsley thinks today is Monday. All right, let's try that again. Today is Monday. Can you touch Monday in your morning meeting folder? Good job. Okay, so the month is, remember we've been talking about the month. It has been raining a lot. Can you find a month that has rain on it? Miss Ainsley found April. So we'll say the month is April. Can you touch April in your morning meeting folder? Good job. All right, the date is, today is the 13th, April 13th. Okay, go look outside, see what the weather is doing. All right, Miss Ainsley's looking outside and it has stopped raining, but it rained all night and it's very windy right now. So breezy, but we can say rainy or stormy because I think it's gonna rain some more. All right, Miss Ainsley's looking at the temperature. So the temperature is 54 degrees. 54 degrees is cool. So you still need a jacket if you go outside. So we can say the temperature is cool. All right, good job, friends. We look at our daily schedule for the day. So today is Monday, April 13th. We are doing morning meeting right now. And then you can go on a virtual field trip. You're going to go and look at the San Diego Zoo. You can pick any animals to look at, and there's cameras that'll show you what the animals are doing right now. I would love for you to log on to Boom Learning and do some of the activities that I have assigned for you. And then we have a math and a language arts activity for today. Remember, if you finish anything today, if you watch morning meeting, do any of our activities, have your parents fill out your attendance sheet so that I know you worked hard. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.